Hi, this is John with wet.TI, and this is the one of the essentials that it's so easy to travel with. This is the Lysol Disinfectant to go. So the way that I like to use this is I just go to my car, just put it in one of the places, and when you're outside or you're driving or you're doing any outdoor activity that you're out of your house, it's really hard, and sometimes you're gonna need something to disinfect, even if any tools or even your hands while you're doing something, and you never know. You want to keep yourself as prepared as possible for any situation that could happen. And just having this guy as a backup, just like put it in any one of the compartments of your car, and you're gonna be good to go to keep your surroundings disinfected, or just to clean your hands after maybe working with some tools, or even maybe you're stuck on the way and you just finish your work. All this grime and all this dirt, it should be taken out by any means. So this is a convenient, easy to carry on disinfectant, and it's the clean linen scent by Lysol. So this was John with wet.TI, and that was my point of view.